Question. Some people think that employers should focus on the personal qualities of potential job seekers instead of their academic qualifications and experience. To what extent do you agree with this opinion? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Model answer 1. Disagreement. Some people point out that employers ought to put emphasis on the personal attributes of prospective job candidates rather than their academic credentials and experience. I strongly disagree with this view and believe that academic qualifications and experience suggest that the candidates have job-specific skills and knowledge. Academic qualifications refer to the evidence that a candidate has knowledge and competence in a particular field of study. This means that the job seeker has attained a foundational comprehension of the subject matter and has acquired necessary skills through assignments, coursework, and exams. This suggests that the individual possesses the knowledge and skills to perform well in the role. A software development firm seeking to appoint a programmer, for instance, may put more focus on a job applicant with a computer science degree. The degree demonstrates the fact that the candidate has acquired a certain level of programming languages, algorithms, and competencies required for the job. Likewise, individuals gain experience through internships and part-time or full-time jobs, allowing them to apply their academic knowledge in real-world settings. People, in fact, develop practical competencies, problem-solving skills, and a comprehension of workplace dynamics through experience. Therefore, an experienced candidate has more practical ability, knowledge, and skills than his counterparts. For example, in the field of software development, a company recruiting developers may prioritize job applicants who possess relevant coding experience. The experience indicates their practical knowledge of how to carry out coding projects. In conclusion, I believe that academic credentials and practical experience are important when it comes to hiring a candidate for a job because academic qualifications prove that the candidates have a certain level of knowledge and skills pertinent to the job, while experience showcases their ability to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world settings. Model answer 2. Disagreement. Some suggest that employers should prioritize personal qualities over academic qualifications and experience when hiring someone. Personally, I do not agree with hiring someone solely based on personal quality and soft skills as it can negatively impact job performance and workplace dynamics. To begin with, academic qualifications and experience provide a foundation of knowledge and technical skills that are indispensable for many positions. Formal education ensures that candidates possess the theoretical understanding necessary for their roles, while experience demonstrates their ability to apply this knowledge in practical settings. For example, in fields such as engineering, medicine, and law, specialized training and a track record of relevant experience are crucial for ensuring competence and adherence to professional standards. Without these qualifications, the risk of errors and inefficiency increases, potentially leading to serious consequences. Moreover, hiring someone solely based on personal qualities may decrease output and negatively affect workplace dynamics because it can lead to a mismatch between the individual's capabilities and the technical demands of the job. Personal attributes like charisma and communication skills are important, but without the requisite knowledge and technical proficiency, an employee may struggle to perform essential tasks efficiently. For example, in a software development company, hiring a candidate solely for their teamwork and problem-solving abilities without considering their coding skills could result in subpar project outcomes and increased workload for other team members who must compensate for the skill gap. In conclusion, while personal qualities are important, they should not overshadow the value of academic qualifications and experience when hiring someone. Therefore, I disagree with the idea that hiring someone should be based on personal qualities.